What up, y'all? Happy Wednesday. This week's vlog, we are at a art show in San Diego. Look at this right here. Hella stuff. We're about to meet my friends Shane and Hoversten. They just built a custom van, do-it-yourself, so we're gonna interview them all about it. If you like this stuff, again, please do like, please subscribe to my channel, Leap of Faith. That helps me grow this channel so much more. This vlog, art show, San Diego, let's get it. What is your name?
My name is Shane Wright.
And what are we in?
We are in Falcor, the initial prototype of Landship Customs, business that myself and Nick Hoversten, aka Ho-Ho, started a couple months ago. Falcor is a Ford Transit all-wheel drive 350 that we built out into a fully solar-powered mobile home, and yeah, it's been a lot of work and a lot of time, but we're pretty stoked on how it's coming out.
What got you the idea to start building do-it-yourself vans?
Well, years ago, I decided to go back to school. I was an old guy going back to undergrad, and instead of paying rent in the Bay Area, because I was going to Berkeley, Delaney and I, my partner and I, decided to build out a box truck and live in that to skip out on rent so I could avoid student loans. And so we did that, and then we lived in the van we lived in that box truck for 2 years, and then we sold that one, made some money, took that money, and then built out another van, and then traveled around in that van during COVID. I had a remote job at the time, and I was working remote, living in the van. Delaney was kind of in between jobs. She was just enjoying the travel, and we just realized that it was freaking epic, and a lot of people wanted to do the same thing. We ended up selling that van and making pretty good margin on it, and so I called up my buddy Nick, who I grew up with, and he had been building boats for a couple years and become a really master craftsman, and I had been working in renewable energy for several years, so I'd learned a lot about solar and electrical and plumbing and how to create these sustainable systems. And so I just thought that we could join forces and create something really amazing together. And so I kind of convinced him to move down to San Diego, and we pooled our money and built this thing. So
and it looks so good. Obviously, all my fans have been seeing the videos while you've been talking. If people want to contact you to learn more about your business in a van, how can they do that?
Hit me up at Landship Customs on Instagram. Or hit me up on my email, Shane at Landship Customs, or you can call me. Fuck it.
And all of this will be in the bio of
yeah,
the video.
I'll put the phone number down there too.
Perfect. Shane, Landship Customs. One love. Look at this. So sick. Do-it-yourself van.
Oh, it's okay.
What is your name?
Nick Hoversten.
And why are we here today, Nick?
We're here revealing the van we've been working on for the last 5 months.
Tell me about it.
Well, where to start? There's a lot to tell. I'm assuming that Shane.
Yeah. What did you do for the van?
So my realm was basically building and fabricating the wood and metal components of the van. So from framing out the van to putting up the siding, building the cabinets, building the bed, the bench, all of that, and then all of the finish work. So milling the siding, putting that up, building these curved cabinets, putting in the flooring. So yeah, mostly the wood.
What was your favorite part about building the van?
Probably getting the floor in. Getting the flooring in, the transition from the teak to the walnut. When those joints started seating cleanly, that was a pretty satisfying moment.
I love that. And if people had questions about building their own van or wanted to talk to you about the van you built, potentially buying it, how can they contact you?
They can contact me at nick@landshipcustoms.com or send a direct message through our Instagram.
Awesome. Any last words?
Thanks for watching.